Kia ora guys, it's Daniel here and I hope you guys are all having a good day. And in today's video, we're going to be looking at how to style a sweatshirt.
Jumped into what the fuck is that? Took a shot at any out of bag. Girl, you know it's real, I ain't trying to brag. I just want to take it.
Alright guys, so it is Easter Sunday and I hope you guys are all having a nice time with your family and things like that and digging in on that chocolate because I know that I am. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you do hit that subscribe button down below, and before the video starts, make sure you do hit that thumbs up because it really does help the channel out. Now, yes, in this video at the end I will be announcing the winner of the YEEZY giveaway, so keep watching all the way through and find out who won. Alright guys, sweatshirts, an item of clothing that is now pretty much styled all year round, whether it's summer, winter, autumn or spring. It doesn't really matter, you can still wear it all year round because it is so versatile. You can dress it up, dress it down. So in today's video I want to show you guys 4 different ways I like to style a sweatshirt. Now sweatshirts these days, you know, it's like a t-shirt. They come in so many different shapes, sizes, colors, like all of the above. You can get huge patterns on them. You can get them just so basic. Price ranges can go from, you know, like £5 all the way up to £500. So there's a huge range for them. Now I myself have 4 different sweatshirts in my collection. So my most expensive one is the Tommy jeans sweatshirt, which came in at about £90. Then I've got this reclaimed vintage one. It is an oversized one, you can see there with the drop shoulder. This is from ASOS from the reclaimed section, which was about £30. Then we just have kind of like a standard dark teal color, again from ASOS. This was I think about £15. And then finally we come in for Puma. This is a bit more of a vintage styled one as well. This one is an extra large. So as you guys see there, different shapes, colors, styles, everything like that. But in today's video, I'm only going to be using the Tommy jeans sweatshirt, mainly because it is grey, so it's so versatile. You can use it with so many different outfits. And also, I just want to be able to show you guys that you don't need a massive wardrobe to have all these different outfits. I want to show you just with one sweatshirt how you can wear it with 4 different outfits.
I won't tolerate a bitch talking back, ay.
So a little history first about the sweatshirts. So originally these knitted garments were actually made by wives of fishermen and sailors from natural wool, which by retaining its oil actually helped protect against the cold and even the damp. Then the jersey did spread all throughout Europe, and then pretty much in the 1890s it was adopted by athletes in America, and then that's pretty much how it's got its name, sweater. Since then guys, you know, it's been huge obviously in the athletes and sports scene, and now you see it, you know, in the gym, but then also in streetwear, in high-end fashion, all around. Like I said, this is such a versatile piece. Alright guys, so enough with the history, let's get into outfit number 1.
Girl, you know it's real, I ain't trying to brag.
Okay guys, so here you see I've got the Tommy jeans sweatshirt on top. I do then have a white t-shirt underneath. You can see the accents of it coming through at the top of the collar. Then we come on down to the Adidas cropped pants, followed by no-show socks, and then the Adidas Glenbucks. What's really cool about this outfit is it's really going in hard on that traditional sweater, so we got that whole sporty vibe going on. What I really like about this outfit is all the colors go together perfectly. There's roughly only 3 colors to this outfit, which is black, white and red, with just little bits of different shades in it. So I really like how this outfit fully comes together. And this is just that great kind of lounge around outfit. You know, you just got to go to the shops during the day, you know, do your groceries, whatever, while still looking stylish.
Crack that head and see it, now I'm drunk, ay.
Alright, outfit number 2 guys. So first of all, on top of the sweatshirt, I do have my workers denim jacket. Then when we come on down, we've got black smart pants, which are rolled up at the ankles, black socks, and then finishing it off with my Air Max 97 Undefeated edition. What I like about this outfit is it looks a bit more dressed up, but it is still hella comfy, especially teaming it up with the Air Max 97s. Now what I do really like about this outfit is everything is quite dark, and then the main feature is the Tommy jeans sweatshirt itself, but then on the Undefeated shoes you do still have a little bit of that red and white accent coming around with the outside of the shoe.
Girl, you know it's real, I ain't trying to brag.
Alright guys, coming into outfit number 3, and out of all of the 4, this is my favorite outfit. This outfit is similar to outfit number 2, but with slight differences. So I have the fisherman's beanie on top. We do have my leather backpack. Coming on down to the black smart pants again with black socks and my Doc Martens. So what I've done with this outfit is a few things to kind of smarten it up. So 1, Doc Martens on foot, black socks and black smart pants. And then what I've done, and this is kind of why this is my favorite outfit, so I've tucked in the sweatshirt all the way into my pants, and then what I've started to do is pull it out quite a bit, which kind of gives it this kind of really cool like cropped look. So I'm a big fan of that. And then the fisherman's beanie just to bring the whole outfit together. So out of all the outfits, number 3 is my favorite.
Drunk and it ain't no coming back.
Alright guys, coming on to the fourth and final outfit. Now this one is a little bit more out there, you know, half of you will probably be like yes, and half of you will probably be like, bruh, what are you doing? This is not why I watch you. So overalls, you either love them or you hate them. There's kind of like no in between. It's just you like them or you don't. Me personally, I do like them, and that's what we have here. So as you see, it's very simple. We've got the sweater, and then all it is my black overalls over the top, coming on down to my CDG Converses on foot. And guys, I like this outfit. It's, again, these are just very everyday streetwear outfits. None of this would, you know, be so much going out for dinner, and that's kind of what I like about all four of these looks, is that they're just everyday cool streetwear outfits that are very affordable. Like I said, you don't need a Tommy Jeans sweatshirt. You can get sweatshirts for, I could have done the same outfit with just a plain grey sweatshirt from like Primark for £10, because all the other clothing in the outfit isn't that expensive. And guys, that's kind of what I like with my outfits. Like, I like being able to just have a lot of kind of like low-key items, and you just dress them well, and the whole silhouette of the outfit just comes together. Alright guys, there we have it. That is how I like to style a sweatshirt. I gave you guys my 4 favorite looks. So like I said, outfit number 3 is my favorite. In the comment section below, let me know which is your favorite outfit. Now, as far as styling your guys' sweatshirts, my advice with them is, if you have a very like loud and bold sweatshirt, play it down with very low-key, almost just black accents on the whole rest of your outfit, just so that sweatshirt's its standalone piece. Now, places where you guys can again look at getting them for like really cheap is places like Primark, ASOS. Like, I honestly wouldn't spend too much on them, guys, unless you are buying it for the brand itself. But remember guys, wearing a brand does not make you stylish. How you dress your clothes makes you stylish. Now guys, the YEEZY giveaway. So I'm filming this on Friday. You guys are watching it on Sunday. So what we're gonna do now is jump to Daniel on Sunday. So Daniel Sunday, go. What's up guys, it's Sunday, Daniel here, and we're doing the YEEZY giveaway. Different location, I know, but I'm away for Easter at the moment, so decided to go kind of the old-fashioned route. Got everyone's names in here, have over 100 different, oh, drop 2. Sorry guys. So yeah, good luck guys. Oh, quick thing as well, just to remember that you have to have already been subscribed to the channel and following me on Instagram to be in to win this. So if whoever's name I call, if I do see that like now you just click subscribe or now you just follow me, then I will do a redraw. So just heads up, just because I wanted to keep it fair for everybody, okay? Let's do it. Oh, I dropped one. Let's do the one I dropped. You don't get that problem with online. Alright. So the name, so lame, no name, okay? What? Didn't you see that? Focus. It's there, I swear. Got you. So lame, no name. So, bro, send me a DM on Instagram. On Daniel Simmons. You should be following anyway. Remember, like I say guys, I'm going to make sure that they are following and everything like that. Just keep it fair for you guys, and you know, there are going to be plenty more giveaways to come, a lot more fashion type giveaways like this. So guys, just stay tuned. I hope you liked today's video, and we'll now go back to Daniel on Friday. And we're back to Daniel on Friday. So congratulations to the winner. There will be more giveaways to come, so make sure you stay tuned for all of those. So guys, if you did like today's video, make sure you give it a nice big thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you do click that subscribe button down below. Also guys, if you want to keep up with me on the daily, you can go check out my Instagram, which is @on Daniel Simmons. Other than that guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys had a great Easter Sunday. But yeah guys, other than that, smash the coming week, and I'll see you in the next one.
All of this is facts. She just wanna throw that ass back.